I can't use the wireless DJI Mimo app for the reason of, if I go any more than a couple of feet, it's just not going to connect correctly. And that's when and where I miss my GoPro Hero cameras for a good reason of a number of things. They got an excellent stereo sound, and they got an excellent wireless connection for a good distance. Speaking about connections, that's why people won't get it. They're still trying to figure out, oh, the fish talks slow. There's some things that people just don't get, and they'll never get it because that's all they connect with. A nice update. They're just about done, closing up. I guess I am happy in a way. I am pretty much happy in a way. Gotta be happy in many ways. As we're happy, able to capture the shot of the crane. And we could get pretty close, look right overhead, and see when he flies away. Pretty neat when you get nice up and close to them. Pretty neat when you get nice and close up to them. There you go. Made it down to the beach. Nice, beautiful day it is. Still nice and comfortable. Sun's coming up on the left. So we're gonna head into the sun. I didn't know pear cactus grows in winter. It falls down and then picks right back up. I got one on my back windowsill outside, and that bad boy picked right back up when the warm weather hit and started to grow again. I gotta turn around. Everybody's in my spot today. I gotta go find a better spot so I could give a little chat. All these benches, all these chairs, all these picnic tables. And yeah, they gotta pick the one I love being at. So you get a nice ocean view. Well, you know, like you say, can't have it all. So there are days where I do my talk, I share my talk, and more. Of all the spots, Mr. Seagull, you had to pick up here and chirp at me, speaking to the camera. He just flew off and another one took its place. Well, I don't have much to say. Didn't have much to say. But connection. If you can't make the right connection, then what good is it? Hey, down here, my fault. I left my camera on and I hit the start button. That's what happens. We make mistakes. So I'm heading on back. Didn't I say that fish? Yeah, I did. I thought I ended up where I said I made mistakes. Yeah, it happens. We do things. Yeah, but sometimes mistakes are not made, and you gotta live with them. And that's what's happening with what we got. I thought I advanced up to the third gear. That's what I'm doing, pedaling number 3. I think I'm gonna go back to number 2 to give a little ease for me. I had my talk, my fun, my share, my ride, and I hope to see you on the next videos to come on Fish, and I'll catch you all many later.